Natasha from the blog and YouTube channel Mountain Valley Refuge, and today I'm going to show you how I pot up my seedlings. I started these seedlings indoors about maybe 5 or 6 weeks ago, and they look like this at the moment. I started a whole bunch of seeds, basically just as an experiment to see what would grow indoors right now. How far can I push the envelope and see how big they would grow. I knew that the salad greens would kind of grow in a mat, and I would just be able to cut off if we needed any for our salads. But we haven't needed any, and so my plan is to let these little seedlings grow and be plants until we can plant them outside. We are in Canada, the Pacific Northwest, so we have milder winters for sure, but I could not plant these outside right now. So my plan is to put them in these little seed pots and see how big I can grow them by the time I can plant out in February or March. That way, if I start some more seedlings in the new year, they'll be a couple of weeks behind these guys, so that I can put these kind of bigger plants outside first as soon as I start the spring garden, and then I'll have smaller plants that can follow them if, for example, I lose them in a frost, which everything here is frost hardy, I think. But say something happens, you never know. They die, they get eaten, whatever the case may be. I'll have some backups coming up later, but let's see how big these little plants will grow for us in these seed pods over the next, I guess it's half of December, January, and February. So 2.5 months. Let's pot them up. Join me. Also, before we get going, I did bring these little stickers that I may initial the pots to know what I am potting up. Although, once the true leaves come out, which most of these already have their true leaves, it's pretty easy to tell what it is, but I did mark it before, so I may mark again. If you are just getting started with gardening, which I'm very new also, and you're still learning what are the leaves and discerning which plants are which, mark them. It's so nice to see what is growing and know what it is. Let's get going.